Your new Lexus has some highly advanced safety systems. In this short video, we will tell you how to use them to give the most enjoyable and relaxing driving experience. First, the pre-collision system. It uses a radar sensor and front camera to detect objects in front of your Lexus. When the system calculates that a collision is imminent, it sounds a warning and flashes a message on the multi-information display. If it determines the possibility of a collision is extremely high, the brakes are automatically applied. Your RX 450h will also change the suspension settings very quickly to make sure it's as stable as possible. The automatic braking will be cancelled if the accelerator pedal is pushed hard or the driver steers sharply, as if avoiding the obstacle. You can adjust the sensitivity of the system or even turn it off completely in the settings menu of the central display. The medium setting is the default. Next, we will take a look at Lane Tracing Assist. This function reads the road markings on motorways and other faster roads, alerting the driver when the RX seems to be drifting out of lane. A warning is displayed on the multi-information screen here, and either a warning buzzer will sound or the steering wheel will vibrate to alert the driver. The car will also gently steer to keep in its lane. The system won't warn the driver or intervene if the indicators have been activated unless the car's sensors have detected another vehicle in your blind spot. You can turn the system off at any time using this button. The car will remember your preference next time you drive. Next, we'll tell you about the RX's adaptive high beam system fitted to some models. This uses a front-facing camera to assess the light from other vehicles and street lamps. It then automatically controls the headlight beam to give the best visibility without dazzling oncoming traffic. To activate AHS, you will first need to have the headlight switch at the on or auto position on the control stalk. To activate the adaptive high beam system, push the left-hand stalk away from you. Then press the adaptive high beam system switch here. A light will show on the display to show AHS is active. Now let's look at Road Sign Assist. This helps keep you on the right side of the law by reading specific road signs and warning you if you're breaking the rules. When the camera recognizes a sign or information is available from the navigation system, it will be shown on the multi-information display here. The system will sound a chime and flash a warning to remind you of the road sign instruction. You can customize the system in the car's main Vehicle Settings menu. Look for this logo and follow the instructions on the screen. Finally, we'll look at the RX's Dynamic Radar Cruise Control. When set, the car will maintain a set speed until it comes up behind another vehicle. It will then stay at a fixed distance behind until the way is clear. To activate the system, press this button on the stalk to turn the cruise control on. Then press the Set switch here to fix the desired speed. You can now adjust it by using the up and down buttons. You can adjust the speed in 5 mph increments by keeping the plus or minus button pressed. A symbol will appear on the display to show the system is activated. The car will now hold you at this speed as long as the road is clear. If you want to adjust the distance between your car and the vehicle in front, it can be set by operating this switch. There are 3 choices: 1, long, 2, medium, or 3, short. If the vehicle in front is too close and the car can't decelerate fast enough, it will sound a chime and may apply the brakes automatically. To cancel the system, simply pull the stalk towards you or touch the brake pedal. You can resume the cruise control at the previously set speed by moving the stalk up. Enjoy the advanced safety features of your Lexus and drive carefully.